Welcome back to NattyTechInsights, your one-stop destination for discovering the most amazing websites, powerful tools, and smart tips to make your digital life easier, faster, and more creative. I've got 8 incredible free tools that will help you design, edit, learn, and share like a pro. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just someone who loves exploring cool tools, these are going to blow your mind. Let's dive right in. 1. ISORepublic, stunning free stock photos. This site is a goldmine for creators. ISORepublic gives you thousands of high-quality, free stock photos and videos you can use for personal or commercial projects without worrying about copyright issues. Perfect for thumbnails, blogs, and social media posts. 2. Picjumbo, unique free images for creatives. If you're tired of seeing the same stock photos everywhere, Picjumbo is your new best friend. It's packed with unique, high-resolution images you won't find on other free platforms. Great for standing out in your designs. 3. Unsplash, the king of free photography. Unsplash is one of the most popular free photo libraries out there. Millions of stunning, professional shots across every category imaginable. From landscapes to tech, you'll always find something that looks premium, completely free. 4. Instructables, learn and build anything. Want to make a DIY desk lamp? Make your own smart pocket watch. Build a robot? Instructables gives you step-by-step tutorials from passionate creators all over the world. It's like YouTube for written guides. Absolutely addictive if you love learning new skills. 5. DesignCap, easy graphic design tool. Need to make a poster, flyer, or presentation but don't want to learn complicated design software? DesignCap makes it easy with ready-made templates you can customize in minutes. No design experience required. 6. Fotor, powerful photo editing in your browser. Fotor is a fast, easy-to-use photo editor you can access right in your browser. From basic adjustments to AI-powered effects, it's a lifesaver for quick edits when you don't want to open heavy software like Photoshop. 7. TinyURL, shorten and share links easily. Have a long, ugly link you want to share? TinyURL lets you shorten it instantly. Perfect for social media, email, or even printed materials. Plus, you can customize the link to make it more memorable. 8. PhotoRoom, remove backgrounds like magic. This one's a game changer for creators. PhotoRoom instantly removes the background from any photo, leaving you with a clean, transparent image you can use for product photos, profile pictures, or thumbnails. Super quick and accurate. And there you have it. 8 free tools that can seriously level up your creative and digital skills. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have another awesome website I should feature next? Drop it in the comments. I check them all. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to NattyTechInsights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next list of game-changing tools. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you for watching.